and welcome back to Lou's Handicrafts. I hope you all are doing great. Today we will be learning how to crochet the waffled ear warmer. Okay, so we are gonna use a 3.5mm crochet hook and a worsted weight yarn. So we will begin by making a slip knot. Pass the yarn under, pull it up, and you have a loop. We are going to chain in a multiple of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. We are going to chain 24, after which we are going to chain 2 extra chain, and leaving 3 chains, we are going to put a double crochet onto the 4th chain. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. We have a double crochet, another double crochet into the next chain, one more double crochet into the next chain, and we will be putting double crochet in the chain all across this row. So the first row of double crochet is complete. You should have 24 stitches, 24 double crochet. Now for the next row, we will chain up 3, turn your work, and this chain 3 already counts as 1 double crochet, so we will not be putting a double crochet in the first stitch here, but we will move to the next stitch and put a double crochet here. Pull through 2, pull through 2. In the next stitch, we are gonna put 1 front post double crochet. Instead of a normal one, we are gonna put a front post double crochet, 1 more front post double crochet, pull through 2, pull through 2. Now in the next, we are gonna put 1 double crochet on top. That is a normal double crochet. 2 front post. This is the wrong side of the work. In the wrong side, we will be putting 2 front posts and 1 normal double crochet. Now 1 normal double crochet again. Let's do that one more time. 1 front post, another front post double crochet, and 1 normal double crochet. Do this all across the row and I will meet you. At the end of the row, we are left with 4 stitches. 4 double crochet, 2 front post, 1, 2, 1 normal double crochet, and 1 more double crochet into the chain 3 that we have left in the foundation chain. So insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. Second row is complete. Now for the third row, chain up 3, which is counted as a double crochet, turn your work. We can see here that the very first stitch is the normal double crochet that we had done in the previous row, and when we flip, you can see these are the two front bows. So what we are going to do in this row, we are going to put one front post double crochet. We will put normal double crochet onto the ones that we had done front post in the previous row. Second, and a front post double crochet on the one that we had done normal in the previous row. So on the right side, this is the right side. On the right side, you will have one front post, two double crochet, one front post all across. One more double crochet and one front post. Let's do it once again here. Double crochet, another double crochet, and one front post double crochet here. At the end, do a front post double crochet, one double crochet onto the chain 3 on top of the chain 3 from the previous row, one double crochet, and this row completes the pattern. We are going to repeat this, but before that, let's go once again. Chain up 3, wrong side, one double crochet on top, two front post double crochet, second front post double crochet, one double crochet, two front post double crochet all across the row. Oops, it's kind of hard here. Insert, pull up, pull through 2, pull through 2. That makes one front post, another front post double crochet, and one double crochet. Do this all around. Don't forget to put the last double crochet into the chain 3 from the previous row. It could be hard to get in sometimes. If we miss the count, we will mess up all the stitch count of the pattern, so it's important to keep count. Chain 3 and turn your work. Now we are facing the right side again. Here, the first stitch is a front post double crochet, then 2 double crochet on top of the front post in the previous row, another front post, 2 double crochet, second double crochet, a front post. I finished up the row, and as you can see here, the waffle has begun to take shape. Continue to crochet this for about 18 to 19 inches, after which I will let you know how to go on from there to make the ear warmer. So till then, pause the video and enjoy crochet. I have done my waffle here, and mind you, it is stretchy, so you might want to complete your work at about 18 to 19 inches. The next thing you can do is you can leave it like that, but I do not want the rough edges here, so I want to smoothen it out by making a half double crochet border all around. So chain 1, we are gonna put 3 half double crochet in all the 4 corners of this rectangular piece. This is the first corner, so we are gonna put 3 half double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. From here on, we are gonna work on the last double crochet or starting chain 3 of each row. We are going to put 2 half double crochet in all the spaces. Continue to work this all around the rectangle, and I will meet you back here. Once the border is complete, this is what it looks like. It looks so smooth. And work all the way across right here, right where we started. To complete the edge, slip stitch into the first stitch that we made, chain 1 to secure it, and leave a very long tail. The reason behind leaving a long tail is that we will need it to sew in to form the ear warmer, and also we might add a few tricks. So just pull the yarn, pull tight. Next, we fold the rectangle with the wrong side facing outwards, and we will just sew this up. Thread in the yarn. We are gonna sew this end by a simple whip stitch, just like that. Keep sewing. Take both strands of the V . You can see it more clearly here. This V and this V. Keep sewing all the way till the end. One last stitch. Pass the needle through both. Do not pull up the loop all the way. Pass the needle through it and pull tight to secure it. Now the loops will never come out. We have joined the rectangle now. We turn the work inside out, and this is the right side, the waffle facing us. This is the place where we have joined. You can just wear like this, or you can give some cute touch to it by adding some bow here. Now this can be done by picking up the central point like this, fold up, fold the other corner up, and you have a cute little bow here. See if you're satisfied with the bow that is formed. If not, rearrange according to your need. And once you are satisfied with it, just sew up the fold here by passing the needle through and through. Sometimes the projects are so thick that the needle might not pass through easily, but it will be alright. Check it once again to see if you need to readjust or put some more stitches. Once you are satisfied with your bow, you can tie off by securing a knot. Hide the remaining tail and cut off the yarn. And this is your simple waffled ear warmer. So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.